Oh, yeah, that's right, everybody. Just getting here. Want to wake up out tonight? Actually, today. They got coming out today to March 12th. From all the crowd clothes out here, representing. A lot of riders, no riders, everybody as they get together. This great cause. Just to let you know, the proceeds today will be going to Camacho and family. This sort of thing also. And check us out, we've got some cool prizes to give away. We'll be doing a raffle coming up here shortly. So if you haven't signed up, make sure you sign up over here by the main entrance by the park store. There's a table with all kinds of tools and pillows, picture frames, some cool shirts, and also some gift certificates. There's some $25, $60 Walmart, cool items. So if you haven't signed up, you're welcome to come.